Hello, this is Watson from 911 Studios, and today we're going to take a look at the Champion 3400 watt dual fuel RV ready portable inverter generator with electric start. It is amazing. It's got 1500 ratings on Amazon with an average rating of 4.7 out of 5 stars. Very nice. It's 25 by 17 by 18 inches and weighs in at just under 100 pounds. It can operate on either gasoline or propane. Plus the unit holds 0.6 quarts of oil and has a low oil shut-off sensor. The convenient electric start has a 3-position ignition switch. Battery is included. Plus the quick touch panel allows you to access all of your controls in one spot. It is ultra quiet and perfect for RVs, tailgating, your next project, or backup power for your home. Featuring 3400 starting watts and 3100 running watts. And up to 7.5 hours runtime on gasoline. Champion also makes several other different capacity and wattage machines, so check those out as well. Now let's check out a fantastic review by Steph, a verified purchaser, called "Should have bought one of these sooner, LOL. Literally can't say anything bad about this unit. Price is great, shipping was fast, runs great, fairly lightweight and quiet, does what I need it to do, and the propane option is awesome. I have dealt with Champion in the past for service with another generator I had before, and their customer service is really amazing. Honestly, companies these days with good customer service is very rare, and it's awesome to see how Champion takes pride in their products and service, and have extremely competitive prices. Awesome, so order yours today, the Champion 3400 watt dual fuel RV ready portable inverter generator with electric start. It's available on Amazon Prime, which means free shipping and free delivery. You're gonna love it. The Champion Power Equipment 10574 4000 watt RV ready digital hybrid inverter generator with dual fuel technology. Awesome. It has 2200 ratings on Amazon with an average of 4.6 out of 5 stars. And Champion makes a great generator, so if you're looking for even more power, check out their other models. They also have models with remote start and electric start. This advanced digital hybrid design is 50% quieter and 20% lighter than a traditional Champion 35 watt generator. Plus the economy mode saves fuel and extends engine life. You can operate it on gasoline or propane, and it's great for RVs, tailgating, or your next project or home backup, with 4000 starting watts and 3500 running watts for up to 14.5 hours runtime on a tank of gas. Includes a 3-year limited with free lifetime technical support from dedicated experts. Now let's check out a review from Mama 10268 called Quiet, Powerful, and Fuel Efficient. Bought this for camping off the grid. Camper has a 15K AC and wanted a generator to power it. Read about inverters and decided to go that style. This generator is perfect for what I do. Yeah, it's not as quiet as a fully enclosed inverter, but that's what Champion themselves say. I can tell you for a fact it's quieter than a regular open frame generator, even when eco mode is off. I just camped with 4 other campers with regular generators with similar output, and they were all impressed how quiet mine was. It was around 90 degrees this weekend, and it powered everything I needed it to. I got about 12 plus hours runtime with eco off and running the AC, outdoor fridge, outdoor ice maker, and even a Keurig during all of that. Very, very impressed. So there you go. Go camping in style with this Champion Power Equipment generator. You can get it on Amazon Prime for free shipping. So check it out today, you're gonna love it. With the DuroStar DS4000S portable generator. It has 2,149 ratings on Amazon with an average rating of 4.5 out of 5 stars. DuroStar makes a great generator, so feel free to check out their other models. And inventory tends to go quickly as these products are in high demand. This model has 3300 watts, is 24 by 17 by 17 inches, and weighs 94 pounds. It comes in a yellow-black combination, 120 volts with a 4-stroke 208 cubic centimeter engine. So you've got plenty of power with 4000 peak watts and 3300 running watts. It can handle heavy loads from lights in a refrigerator to a home air conditioner and high amperage power tools. It has a low oil shutoff which protects your investment by automatically shutting the generator off when it senses that the oil is low. The power panel includes a selection of outlets for maximum compatibility with your applications, including 2 120 volt household outlets, one 120 volt 30 amp twist lock outlet, and the panel also includes a voltmeter for measuring voltage output, and complies with all the necessary emission standards, including CARB and EPA. Let me share a fantastic review from Richard Moore, a verified purchaser, called No More Suffering. Okay, I've had the generator for 3 years now. First, let me tell you, I've had the most unreliable electric service of anyone I know. Every time the wind blows, my lights go out. Most of the time, it takes at least 1 or 2 days before power is restored. I used to go get a motel room at $85 a night until the lights come back on. That all ended when I got this generator. I've used it about 15 or 20 times in the last 3 years. It always starts right up and runs my refrigerator, a small AC unit in my bedroom, my TV, and any lights in the house, which are LEDs, by the way. It will run anywhere between 10 and 15 hours on a tank of gas, which is 4 gallons. All of my neighbors are suffering while I'm watching TV with cool air and cold drinks. Best purchase ever, 5 stars. Wow. Well, it's been 5 years since I got this generator, and that time I've had to use it many times and just love it. So don't get stuck in the dark with lukewarm beverages and no TV. Check out this DuroStar DS4000S portable generator today. You're gonna love it.